Initially, the cleaning system removes impurities from the raw rice bran to ensure optimal processing conditions. Following this, the flaking machine reduces the size of the rice bran particles, increasing the surface area for better oil extraction. Next, the steaming and cooking stage prepares the material by adjusting moisture and temperature levels. The core of the production line is the screw press, where mechanical pressure physically extracts a significant portion of the oil. For maximum efficiency, the remaining solids, known as cake, are further processed in the solvent extraction unit. Here, solvents like hexane are used to dissolve and extract residual oils. Finally, the crude oil undergoes refining processes, which include degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. These steps remove unwanted substances such as gums, free fatty acids, pigments, and odorous compounds, resulting in clear, pure, throughout the entire production line. Automation and precise control systems monitor each step to maintain consistent quality and optimize performance. This comprehensive approach ensures that the final product meets both industry standards and consumer expectations while maximizing resource utilization. With its ability to handle large,